What is going on, crypto YouTube? So I want to talk about Bitcoin. We're gonna do a follow-up to the video that I posted last week, just in regards to where I think we're headed as far as a little bit of a dip. On the lower time frames, we are showing a little bit of signs of a minor distribution, which makes sense. We've been kind of, up only for a few weeks now. So if we just go over and take a look at the forward here on Bitcoin. So here on the daily, you can see we had the breakout of the descending or the falling wedge, and we're up over here. We made it to a high of nearly almost $25,000, which is the area of the macro resistance currently. But when we zoom in on the 4-hour chart, we got kind of a Wyckoff distribution occurring. Now, I was giving this a lot of room, given the benefit of the doubt that this was going to continue, because the higher time frames were painting a better picture in regards to continuation. So we are seeing some slowing down. There's some bearish divergence coming in on the daily, bearish divergence coming in on the 4-hour. But there's basically, we just got to capture the trading range as it stands right now. So let me just grab a tool here. This is what we're looking at. This area right here is kind of the make or break decision for this consolidation. As long as we are below this line, as long as we're below it, it's bearish. If we can get above it and stay above it, I think that will be a bullish sign for the market. So as it stands right now, I'm still long, still strong, and not taking any profits, planning on holding this as long as possible. Because the high time frames are giving really good indication that there is a continuation potential here. But it's quite choppy. We had a false breakout back here, came back down below the support line. We got another rejection up here at the right next to it. So we kind of have a double top formation, and we're now below that support line. So things are, neutral at best, still holding a bullish bias, but this consolidation does have some things that are a little bit concerning. If we go over to the higher time frames, taking a look at the weekly looks fantastic, and we just got our phantom signal here on alphanumerics, which is a sign that a big move is coming. And we have that in the context of the 7 about to cross the 30 here on the weekly. That's a very, very strong signal, showing a lot of bullish momentum potential in the price of Bitcoin here. So still long, still strong. The higher time frame stuff is certainly saying that we have a potential for higher levels. It's just the smaller time frame stuff that's giving us a little bit of pause here. So for those looking to buy the dip, not financial advice, but what I'm doing here is if we do get a dip kind of in the $20,000 to $21,000 range here for the price of Bitcoin, I'm going to be scooping it up. Now, if we fall below that, any fall below 20K is going to indicate weakness. So as it stands right now, with the level that we're sitting at for 20 to 21,000, that would put Bitcoin in a neutral posture. And anything below that, start getting some high time frame closes below 20K, let's say 19, get some daily, maybe 3-day closes below that, then it's not looking as it's not looking as strong. It's showing more signs of weakness than strength. And we would have to then flip our bias back to bearish and assume that we're just ready to trade sideways for a few months. But as it stands right now, still maintaining a bullish bias, still thinking that we have more upside in the short to medium term for Bitcoin. Maybe a little bit of a shakeout down to 21K, but overall things are looking good. If you guys are interested in getting your hands on some Bitcoin, follow the link down below and sign up for BitGet Exchange. Easy way to help support the channel. They've got all the altcoins, everything that you'd be looking for is down there at BitGet. And if you guys enjoyed this content, please leave it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, please trade safe. It is jungle out there. Peace.